Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the GEICO.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to GEICO, its website lets customers get insurance quotes, access policies, make payments, manage claims, and use other insurance services. GEICO primarily provides auto insurance, while its insurance agency also offers access to homeowners, renters, and other property coverage through affiliated or non-affiliated insurers. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. GEICO states that its affiliated companies provide automobile insurance to customers across all states and the District of Columbia. Auto coverage options include liability, collision, comprehensive, uninsured motorist, rental reimbursement, and emergency roadside service, subject to state and policy availability. Customers can request an auto insurance quote online by providing information about themselves, their vehicles, drivers, and desired coverage. Insurance premiums are personalized and depend on factors including location, driving history, vehicle information, selected coverage, and applicable discounts. According to GEICO, available auto insurance discounts can include clean driving record, multi-vehicle, multi-policy, good student, vehicle equipment, auto pay, and paid-in-full discounts. Discount availability and amounts vary by state, policy, and individual eligibility. GEICO also offers DriveEasy, an optional usage-based insurance program available in eligible locations. According to GEICO, DriveEasy uses the mobile app to measure driving behaviors such as braking, cornering, speed, and phone use to calculate a driving score. Participation and recorded driving behavior can affect premiums, with program details varying by state. Existing customers can create an online account to view and manage their policies. GEICO's website and mobile app provide supported features including bill payments, digital insurance ID cards, policy access, and roadside assistance requests. Customers can also report and manage eligible insurance claims through GEICO's digital services. GEICO states that customer service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The GEICO group of insurance companies is wholly owned by Berkshire Hathaway. Independent insurance rating agency AM Best affirmed an A++ financial strength rating for GEICO General Insurance Company in April 2026. Coverage, premiums, discounts, payment plans, and features vary and can change, so users should check the terms presented for their specific policy or quote. For users interested in getting an insurance quote or managing an existing GEICO policy online, GEICO could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.